to show you how to do that NBG logo that some of you requested for. So let's get started with our app. As the app starts, first and foremost, you see this text you are seeing here. We are going to delete it. So it's deleted. So let's go to our tools. That A icon that you're seeing from your screen, from downward from your screen, just tap on it. Okay, so I use relative positioning to put it at the middle. Then I also increase it by the size. I want to increase it to 90. Relative positioning again. I make it bold. Then add the font to it. Don't worry, with time you get to know it for more better. Just watch as I do it. Okay, this is the font. So I want to increase its size. Let's increase its size. Okay, I think this one is okay now. Then relative positioning. So what I want to do to it now, I want to give it a texture. I'll come to texture. The texture I actually give it is golden texture. So look at it here. So press OK. So you can see how it is now. So what I want to do is this. Now go back to the texture. Maintain ratio enabled. You're getting me? So I want to scale it. From here you can scale it. You can see how to scale it here. Alright. So I place it at the middle using my relative positioning. Alright. So let me add that that icons you saw there. This is the global icon. So let me resize it. Okay, I think it's a little bit better now. It's at the front of the MBG, so I want to take it to the back. It's at the back now. So what I want to do, I want to merge both the MBG and this global icon. I want to merge them both together. So as I'm done merging, so I put it on my relative position. I put it at the middle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lock it. Okay, so I've locked it. So right now, I want to change the background color to black. You're getting me? I want to change the background color to black. So you can see what we are doing, so that it can reflect very well. So let's continue. So let me delete the font. Before giving it a font, let me make it bold first. Give it a font. Let's continue. So now, shape. That's why it's always good to lock your work when you're working. So let me lock those remaining letters. Okay. So let me copy it, duplicate it. At the middle. The other one at the middle. And move it down a bit. Then I merge both of them. Okay. So let's continue. Reduce the size a bit. So like 70. Okay. I think it's good now. So let me give it a texture. A golden texture also. Okay. So I have to reduce this one size. And also give it a texture. You can see it. That's it. Not too much stress, not too much sweat. So let me merge all together. Then come here. Relative positioning. That's it. I told you, it's very easy. It's not something stressful. It's so easy. All you have to do is stay focused. When the class starts properly, you understand everything. Okay? See you later.